Welcome to my channel, friends. Now we are going to discuss about forgiving plexus. So first thing is that whenever you are going to activating and purifying your forgiving plexus, there are three gestures. One is that first you purify and activate your forgiving plexus from forgiving yourself. Okay, starting from forgiving yourself. So I will show you three different gestures. The first gesture, place your left hand above your heart, then place your right hand just below your left hand. Then you will repeat the codes for purification, and then you enter into a meditative state for 5 minutes. You meditate like this, but you need not to focus your attention on heart chakra, but on the chakra where the where the location of the forgiving plexus is located. So let me first show you where is the location so that you can focus on there. Yeah, so here you have to focus, right? Definitely you have to place your hands here over your heart, but you have to focus on that. Then it's about how to forgive ourselves, how to purify our forgiving plexus and activate it while we are forgiving ourselves. But there are two different ways for forgiveness actually. One is while we wish to and while we need to forgive others. So for that, you have to do a namaskar like this. And better you place your feet on the ground or floor. And then you repeat codes of purification and codes for activation of the first level. So after that, you go to meditative state for 5 minutes like this only. It will be little harder, I think. Your hands might get, a bit painful. But if you find difficulty, then you can place it like this. One hand is like this, chin mudra, and one right hand is like agya mudra. Then you place over your knees and you sit comfortably. So it's the second gesture while we forgive others. And third gesture, or the third way of forgiving, third level, we could say, is that while there is a need to ask forgiveness for the higher entities, like higher dimensional entities like angels, our spirit guides, our ancestors, and like God energy or Mother Goddess, Father God, or Allah, or it could be anything, higher dimensional energies. So for that, you have to do what? You have to bend on your knees, just like whenever a guy proposes a girl for marriage or etc. like that, you have to bend over knees, and you have to do the same namaskar position, namaste position, and you have to bend on your knees, and then you have to utter those, repeat those codes for 3 times. One code is for purification, and one code is for activation of the first level for the forgiving plexus. And after doing that, actually, as per the modality, you have to stay like that on your bended knees for 5 minutes while keeping the namaste position for 5 minutes. But it's not, if it's not possible for you, because I feel that that was quite difficult for me also. So you do 20 seconds because you might have some knee problems. You do 20 seconds or 10 seconds bending like this. Just you repeat the codes for 3 times, only one code at a time. You take purification code first, and you take activation codes later. So after doing it 10 seconds on bended knees and like this namaste, you get up from that position, or you change the position, and you can sit in a comfortable position, that is I call half padmasana. It's like sitting on the ground as you like it. Just you have to be grounded, and the emotion will be same. Definitely your gesture will be changed, but the apparent or the inherent or the inward emotion will be the same, as you are surrendering to the higher entities and you are asking for forgiveness. Okay, so that's the three way of purification and activation. So it's not like that you will sit, you will meditate. No, it's not like that. First you have to purify and activate with this position. Just you have to start from the seed, that is to from that is like from forgiving yourself. So you will do this purification one, activation one, 10 minutes of meditation both. And after that you can, after the video, you can do it for higher entities and you can do it for other person like this. Higher entities bended knees like this, for self like this, and other persons like this. Three. I think if I get time, I will do a demo for this. But anyway, without making further delays, we are now going to proceed to see what are the activation purification code for forgiving plexus. Yeah, so the purification of the forgiving plexus code is Ve Kayam Se. Ve Kayam Se. Ve Kayam Se. Okay. You repeat after me. Then place your hands like this. Actually, you have to place your hands from the starting. So let us do it again. Place your left hand on your heart. Place your right hand below your left hand. Then say Ve Kayam Se. Ve Kayam Se. Ve Kayam Se. Then take 3 breaths from the universe. Pause this video. Enter into a meditative state. After 5 minutes, I will see you all. Congratulations. I hope you have completed the 5 minutes procedure. First, you start from this self-forgiving gesture. The other 2 gestures you can do later also after this video. So now we are going towards activation of the forgiving plexus at first level. So the code is same. We will start from forgiving ourselves, right? So same left hand on the heart chakra, right hand just below the left hand. So the code is Jayu, Jayu, Jayu. Take 3 breaths from the universe while placing your hands like this. It's done. Try to take slower inhalations, deeper inhalations, and slower exhalations. Please don't do like me. I do bit fast because I'm a very fast person, but you should take it little slower than me. And then please enter into a meditative state. And before this, you can pause this video. You have to pause this video actually. So we'll see you on the other side after this meditation. Congratulations. I hope you have completed your 10 minutes meditative break. And first, as I guided you, I hope you have done this self-forgiving style. Then you do this forgiving other persons, human beings, right? Or yeah. And finally, activate and purify the codes while bend on knees for 10 seconds or 5 minutes if you can. It's not mandatory. And with these hands, if you want to ask for, if you wish to ask forgiveness from the invisible realm, from God energy, from Mother Earth energy, or some angels, and maybe some of your already deceased ancestors, as per your wish. So this video has been finished here, and now we will discuss and we will purify and activate your earth plexus in my next video. So keep watching for this video series of DNA activation and healing of the 14 healing plexus. Thank you very much for watching.